Hello all, we'll talk about list count method. So this method returns the number of items an element occurs in the given list. Syntax list dot count item. This is the syntax. Parameter item. This is the required item. The item to be counted in the list. Return value here an integer. So we'll see one example. Maybe we can take previous references. We have taken this is one. Just we'll add some other code. City equal to here we'll type Mumbai. This is city single variable which is holding one value Mumbai, and cities is a list which is holding four values. Then we'll also add Mumbai here, maybe at the end, and here we'll change the code num equal to cities dot count. What we need to count? This city we need to count. How many occurrences are there? Okay. Now print the number of times Mumbai occurs each comma num. So we'll test it. So in this example, Mumbai we are passing. This is the item to check in this list. It is placed in one place. So num value has to come 1. We'll test it. So we'll execute this. The number of times Mumbai occurs is 1. Okay, now try to little bit change the code. Maybe in between also you can add Mumbai. We'll see. Now it has to print two places. One and this is the one. Two places. Yeah, now the count got increased. Now we'll also change. Maybe we'll slightly change the code. Cities, for example, what we can, 1 second, we'll add one tuple here, Mumbai, comma, Bangalore. This is the tuple. Okay, then New York, whatever it is, and then Mumbai, Bangalore, New York, Mumbai, Pune, Kolkata, Mumbai. Okay, Indian cities, for example, I'm slightly modifying Indian cities equal to, I am copying this particular thing here like this. Now this is the one Indian cities, Mumbai, comma Bangalore. I will remove this part and I will also remove this part. We'll see later. We'll add it if required. Indian cities, Mumbai, Bangalore. Num cities count. This one I'll have to keep here. Now we'll test it. Yeah, number of items Mumbai occurs is 1. Here we'll have to change the output statement. It's not Mumbai tuple because in tuple we have given Mumbai and Bangalore. So we'll execute this. Yeah, number of times tuple occurs is 1. Suppose if we try to keep the same thing and one more time here, we'll try to check the behavior now. 2 times we have added this same tuple. Okay, now we'll check. It has to print 2. Yeah, 2 times. So this particular tuple Mumbai, Bangalore, control Z, Mumbai and Bangalore, this is a tuple. Again at the end also there is the same tuple. We have added 2 places. That's why it is printing 2. Okay, the count method returns 0 if the element is not found in the list. That is also one we need to aware. For example, maybe this is not available. Let us say this particular tuple is not available in the original list. Now we will check. Now what it has to say? It has to say number because it doesn't have any match. So it has to display 0. In the number of times tuple occurs is 0. Okay, suppose one more variation, count method will throw an error if no parameter passed. Okay, for example, here we haven't passed anything. For example, you should throw error. Okay, because in count we are not passing any parameter to check. Okay, we'll test it. It should throw an error. See, press back. List count takes exactly one argument, 0 given. So we haven't given any argument in the count method. So that's why at least we should give one argument here to check. Okay, so that's what the behavior of the count. That's all for today's session.